413 Bros, back for another video. So this is a big video for us. We got a reach out from Auxito lights, and they want to partner with us. They gave us a discount code and an affiliate link. And Justin, what do you think?
It's very exciting. So we're going to have our own discount code for all of you guys. So if you use our link below, it's not going to cost you any more money, but it's going to help support the channel, and you're going to have a discount code to save 10%.
So this is the link right here, discount code up here. You're going to save 15%, which I know they sell on Amazon and stuff, but you'll get a better discount if you use our code on their website, and you can use us. We'll get a little bit of kickback from it, and that's going to help bring us to the next level. Yeah. So it'd be huge support for us. We're almost at 500 subscribers right now, and this is a big deal for us. We're super excited to team with them, and
thank you guys.
Yeah, thank you. We really appreciate it. So today we are installing new headlights in the Kia. We picked this car because they come factory with D1S HID lights. They suck. Absolutely suck. The bulbs wear out super fast. They get very dull.
I confirm.
Yeah, they're horrible. We used another LED and it didn't work good at all. I mean, it was phenomenal when we first put it in. Bright as could be, but it dulled out in like 2 months.
Doesn't hold up to Auxito.
They're actually weaker than the original HIDs, which still only put out like 3,000 lumens each. Theirs is all built in one piece, and they gave nice gloves to install them because you're not supposed to touch them. And I mean, look at the quality. These are supposed to equal 24,000 lumens. Alright, so we're going to start on this side of the vehicle because it's more open and easier for recording, and we're going to go through step by step on this side. I'm just going to show you this side where it's located. It's you'll see this cap right here. All you gotta do is twist it off, and the bulb's back there, and you just follow the exact same process as over there.
Basically, there's a cap, a spring clip, and a plug.
Yep.
Very common.
So, we're just gonna pull this cap off. It twists lefty-loosey. Then...
Let me get in there, show them that.
Yeah, go ahead.
You can see.
So this is all that wiring for this side. So that's the factory harness. We're just going to unplug that. And then all this wiring, and this is the spring clip. Can you see it?
Yep. Okay, good.
So you just push this in and up, and boom, pops out. Since this light is garbage, we're just going to yeet it out of there. But that's it. So this one... plug is going to go down like this.
Very nice quality bulb.
Yeah.
Big cooling fin on the back.
Yeah, these are
We don't have all that
nice
ballast and all that extra wiring and stuff. It's just not necessary.
Plug and play.
Much more plug and play.
So,
all built in.
What I find is easier is to plug this in. So you're going to want to just stick this in part way and then plug it in before you get it. If you do the spring clip first, you're going to be taking it back out.
On this particular vehicle?
Yes.
But with no extra wiring, no extra ballasts, you're not tucking in all that into your headlight cavity. You can just put your cap back on like factory.
Yep, so I plugged it in, and then you just got to be careful because the wire is short, and just plug that right in, and boom. It's in. Run this spring clip across.
Click it up into the slot.
Click it up and in, and boom. It's plugged in.
Just like that.
It is good to go. And that's literally the whole install.
Go ahead and put your cap back on.
Yep. So for this, I found it easier. You probably could have done it with the coolant reservoir in place, but it was better for the video. And it's easier to get your arm in there. It's just two 10mm bolts. But
that's it.
That's it.
So we're going to go ahead and do the other side off camera, and we're going to cut to some footage, driving footage.
Some driving footage.
All right, we are outside.
Well, they already look drastically brighter. So.
Much better. Look at that. All right, we're out on a nice dark road. So you can see tons of light output. Tyler, are these brighter than your last lights?
Oh God, yeah.
So they are pointed down. We do need to aim them. These did replace factory HID lights, so I think the aiming is off. But
yeah, these are much brighter.
Much brighter.
And these high beams were Auxito. They're the first Auxito brand I bought, and I bought these probably 8 years ago, but these are their high beams.
Yeah, look at that.
Those are incredible.
Those are amazing. So,
but I bought those like 5 years ago, but this headlight review, they are drastically brighter.
You can see, nice bright white light. Great output. Like I said, they are aimed a little low. We need to adjust them up, but yeah. All right, Tyler, what do you think?
I'm very pleased with these lights, and like I said, I'm using their high beams, and I love them. So.
And I know most of the lighting in my truck is Auxito, and that was long before we did any affiliation with them. So huge shout out to Auxito, and don't forget to use our link to their store below and use our discount code. Thank you guys. See you in the next one. Later.